Let's learn Yeehaw Shake. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 2 and 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags and where they happen, and an ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Yeehaw Shake. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do heel hook, heel step with the right and the left. So you're going to place your right heel forward with your toes slightly pointed out. You're going to hook your right foot by bringing your right foot up to your left shin, making a figure 4 with that right knee. You're going to place your right heel forward with your toes slightly pointed out, and then step your right next to your left. We're now going to do the same thing with the left. So you're going to place your left heel forward with your toes slightly pointed to the left. You're going to hook your left foot by bringing your left heel to your right shin, making a figure 4 with that left knee. Place your left heel forward with your toe pointed out, and then step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your heel hook, heel step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a modified K step. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. We're going to step our left foot back into the left back diagonal, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot back. You're going to hit your left knee up, and then you're going to step forward with your left and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your modified K step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we are going to shake our hips. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, and you can shake your hips however you feel comfortable. Do whatever you want, make it your own. So we're going to step to the right, and you're going to gradually transfer your weight from your left to your right, and you're going to touch your left next to your right. So we're going to step to the right for 1, you're going to shake, 2, 3, and then touch for 4. We're going to do the same exact thing to the left, so you're going to step to the left for 1, shake, 2, 3, 4. So let's try that with some counts, stepping to the right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to use that whole shake, and you can do whatever you want. If you want to roll your hips, if you kind of want to go back and forth, you can make it your own by doing whatever you would like. We're now going to repeat what we did in 3, but we're going to make a quarter turn. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and you're going to shake your hips. Shake, 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 touch. Same thing to the left. Shake, 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 touch. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just touched, you're going to make your quarter turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to make sure that you are touching on the 4 and the 8, and you have that whole amount to kind of shake your hips and have fun. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our right heel hook. So it's heel hook, heel step, heel hook, heel step, forward touch, back, hitch, step, touch, shake to the right, touch, shake to the left, touch, quarter, shake to the right, touch, shake to the left, touch. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heel hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, the dance itself is only 2.5 rotations long. So we will do the tag both times that we come to the back wall. The 3rd time you come to the back wall, that is the ending, and you're just going to turn to the front. So I'm going to turn to the front so that you can see what the tag looks like, and then we will practice it to the back. The great thing about the tag, again, is that you get to do whatever you want for the last 4 counts of it. It is 8 counts long. We're stepping out, slightly forward, and then you get to do what you like. I like to do a big hip roll. If you would like to do the drop it down and bring it up and do that. I like to call it the bend and snap. You can do shakes, you could cross and wind, you can do whatever you want. Squat down, come back up, whatever the actual bend and snap. You can do whatever you want for those 4 counts. I'm going to tell you the first one feels really good to do a nice big hip roll. The second one you can kind of play with, but that choice is yours. You have 4 counts to do whatever you would like until you would start over again. You just have to make sure that you're putting your weight onto your left foot. So facing 12 o'clock, remember these tags are going to happen facing 6 o'clock. We're going to step out, and slightly forward. So we're going to step our right foot out, but slightly forward. You want to make a comfortable step out, and then step your left foot out. So it's step, hold, step, hold. So nice 2 slow steps. Then last 4 counts, do whatever you like. I like to do a big hip roll from left to right. So I go around and then put my weight on my left foot and I'm ready to start over again. But again, you can do whatever you would like for those 4 counts. Make it sassy, make it fun, have a good time. So let's try it with some counts. Stepping out, it's 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 5, 6, 7, 8, or 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you would like to do, that is your whole tag. So now let's do it facing 6 o'clock. Weight is on your left. We're stepping out nice and slow. So it's 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, and do your hip roll or whatever you want for 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole tag. You will do it on the end of wall 2, facing 6 o'clock, and the end of wall 6, facing 6 o'clock. The final time that we come to the 6 o'clock wall, the music is going to end. If you're somebody that likes to end facing 12 o'clock, I don't actually care if you end facing 12 o'clock for this dance, but if you're somebody that does like facing it, all I did was a step half pivot to 12 o'clock. The music ends when you're doing your shake, so a full 32 counts, and then I just did a quick turn to the front if you would like to end facing the front. If not, do anything sassy you would like. You can look over your shoulder. Doesn't matter. Have fun with it. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. The first time we do the tag, I will do steps. The second time, I will do counts. Remember, that last 4 counts is whatever you would like. So I'm going to say hip roll, but you can do whatever makes your heart happy for those 4 counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our heel hook. So it's heel hook, heel step, heel hook, heel step. Step, touch, back, hitch, step, touch. Shake to the right and shake to the left. Turn, shake to the right, shake to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag. Out, hip roll, start over. Heel hook, heel step, heel hook, heel step. Okay, step with your hitch. Now shake to the right and shake to the left. Turn, shake to the right and shake to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel hook, heel step, heel hook, heel step. Okay, step with your hitch. Now shake it to the right, shake it to the left, turn, shake it to the right, shake it to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel hook, heel step, heel hook, heel step. Okay, step with your hitch. Now shake it to the right, touch, shake it to the left, touch, shake it to the right, touch, shake it to the left, touch. After this, you will do wall 8, wall 9, and wall 10. Wall 10 is your final wall. You will do that half to the front if you would like to end facing 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. Now, there is an explicit version, which is the one that I used in my videos. There is also a clean version, which does not have the swears in it. So both are available currently only on iTunes, but they will be available on Amazon at the end of February when the album is released. Right now the album is not out, but the music is available on iTunes for purchase. So you can purchase the explicit and the clean version. The clean version does not have the swears in it like the explicit one does. So the choice is yours if you would like to use one that doesn't have the swears in it. That is okay with me. Or if you would like to use the one with the swears in it, that's fine too. So I hope this helped you learn Yeehaw Shake. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Mr. Worldwide, EL1, Fillmore, let's ride. She got that yeehaw. Shot up there, the skin on them boots. Too short, 20 days of dope. Shake, shaking them loose. She got that yeehaw. Looking at me like I'm a boss. Sexy twang in the talk. She ain't fucking me up. She got that yeehaw. Saddle up 'cause she wanna ride. DNA to MIA, going south tonight. She got that yeehaw. And the next thing I knew, she brought a friend. It was me plus two. Oh no, I'm on that yeehaw. I got